What's the meaning of age limit? Age limit. Age limit. Age limit. Age limit. Age limit. An age limit refers to a specific age beyond which an individual is prohibited from engaging in a particular activity or obtaining certain privileges. The purpose of an age limit is typically to protect individuals from harm or to ensure that individuals have attained the necessary level of maturity or experience to handle certain tasks or responsibilities. Age limits are common in a variety of contexts, including employment, voting, and driving. Adherence to age limits is typically enforced through laws and regulations, with penalties imposed for violations.